be able to keep the painful part of foam rolling
Right.
at a minimum, like, thank you very much.
Yeah, no kidding. I'm a runner. My calves are absorbing all of the
Impact? Kinda?
impact, and it's like making my Achilles a little bit tweaky. When you were doing the IT bands, I could really like feel it. Felt kind of spicy, but kind of good.
Spicy.
Spicy.
The reason I created this 10 years ago is to deal with pain that I was experiencing.
Yeah.
If you lay on a foam roller, that's a constant impact.
Yep.
The brain gets that, it's painful, that hurts. If you can do the same type of treatment and remove the pain, you're building collagen, you're creating new tissue.
Yeah.
So it's helping your body recover.